Welcome to Blue Team Series, Lecture 7 on AI and Machine Learning in Cyber Defense. Modern security environments generate overwhelming volumes of data, making AI-powered defense a critical capability for security operations center teams facing sophisticated adversaries. AI plays a vital role in cybersecurity defense by analyzing massive volumes of security data faster than humans. A key principle is that AI does not replace defenders. Rather, it enhances human analyst capabilities across threat detection, behavioral analytics, alert prioritization, threat intelligence, and automated response. Traditional detection methods rely on static signatures and rule-based logic, which are reactive to known threats. AI-powered detection identifies behavioral anomalies, unusual patterns, and emerging threats without relying on known signatures. Large language models, or LLMs, are increasingly integrated into security operations centers. They accelerate analyst workflows and reduce investigation time by providing incident summarization, investigation guidance, threat correlation, and accelerated analysis of forensic findings. AI threat analysis connects scattered security indicators, such as a suspicious login, PowerShell execution, and outbound traffic. This correlation provides a coherent threat picture, enabling faster and more accurate incident response. It is critical to be aware of AI limitations. These include false positives and missed detections, and adversarial evasion where attackers manipulate models. Human oversight and expertise remain required for strategic decisions and complex investigations. The AI arms race is ongoing as attackers adapt too. Modern adversaries use AI for generating highly convincing phishing campaigns, automating malware development, and performing intelligent reconnaissance at machine speed. The future of defensive security involves AI-assisted SOCs and autonomous detection systems. This also includes intelligent automation through SOAR platforms and a strong human plus AI partnership. Remember that human expertise remains central to effective defense. AI is integrated into modern security architecture across the enterprise. This includes EDR and UEBA, SIEM and SOAR platforms, cloud security for intelligent detection in cloud-native environments, and AI-driven analysis for threat intelligence. Our key takeaways emphasize AI-assisted detection, the role of LLMs in the SOC, and AI threat analysis for correlation. Also remember the limitations and the need for human oversight. Next up, we will cover cloud detection and response in cloud-native environments.